Hello. Today we have something special to demonstrate. We are going to show you how we can integrate UiPath document understanding platform with Amazon Connect, and more precise, we will leverage Amazon tasks in order to deliver a work item to a human in order to complete verification. So traditional document understanding design with Action Center has a UiPath document understanding that will pull the documents from the folder or from any other storage area. And then after the evaluation, it will distribute work via emails to the human in the loop, and human will verify the quality of the recognition and make certain changes if changes are necessary. For that, we will use the Action Center. With an integrated environment, instead of using the emails to distribute work to the humans, we are going to use the Amazon Connect and more precise Amazon Tasks feature, where Amazon Connect will deliver a Action Center link to the humans, and human will verify everything. So let's look at a first scenario, which is traditional UiPath document understanding with Action Center. So what we have here, we have a one document in the folder. That's a invoice, very simple invoice, nothing really special there, but it's a PDF file. And what we are going to do now, we are going to start manually a workflow using the studio just for demonstration purposes. And as you know, it can be done different ways. And the workflow will fetch a document from the folder and push the document through all document understanding processes, and apply machine learning model that was developed by Presidio. And we are going to create a validation station and create a task in an Action Center for a human to validate the quality of the extraction. After 20 seconds, the workflow is completed. So we are going to receive an email in the email box with a link to UiPath Action Center that will give us opportunity to validate the extraction, to validate the work that robot performed. So the structure of the email is completely customizable. This is really for demo purposes. So what we are seeing here right now is we are opening a validation station, an Action Center. We can see that there is a document on the right-hand side of the screen, and this is what the robot extracted. We can just agree with that, save, and the human did complete the work. So this is a traditional document understanding with Action Center. So now what we are going to see, we are going to see the full integration with Amazon Connect or Amazon Tasks. So we're going to use the same document understanding concept, but work to the human will be assigned by a Amazon Connect or Amazon Tasks. In this folder, again, we have three different invoices. We are going to deal with only one just for demonstration purposes. Again, very simple invoice, nothing special there. So we are going to start a workflow manually. And as I pointed out, that workflow can be started on the event. It can be started on a different ways from the orchestrator, but for demo purposes, we are starting this manually. Before we start the workflow, here are some of the main reasons why we are using the Amazon Connect. The first one, we want to have reporting, because when we deliver a work item via email, we don't know exactly when that work item has been picked up and worked on. With Amazon Connect, we can leverage both real-time or historical reports and really track the efficiencies of the humans that are performing that validation. Anyway, so we started execution, and again, the workflow will go through all basic steps, meaning fetching the document, running, digitizing the document, and applying all the steps necessary for traditional UiPath document understanding, but at a point where we generate a Action Center URL and push a task to Action Center, which just happened, we are going to push that task to Amazon Connect, and Amazon Connect will start queuing that task and looking for a first available human to give it task to perform. So again, let's look at our real-time report. There is a testing queue, task queue, and we see that there is a one item in a task queue. It was added 8 seconds ago, and we can see all the real-time parameters around that task and around that task queue. So now what we are going to do, we are going to log in the Amazon Connect agent. We are going to make agent available, and as soon as agent available, the task will be assigned to the first available agent. We will accept the task, and we can see that here is the UiPath task. It's a document validation, and reference is a complete document validation and the link that we produce in our workflow. Agent can click a link, and automatically leveraging a single sign-on, we will open the Action Center, and agent will be logged into the Action Center, and agent will see a document and the result of the extraction. And if something is not extracted, agent can add that and complete the extractions and save the work. So basically, through one interface or single interface, agent can complete the validation of the extracted document. When everything is completed, we will end the task. And after ending a task and completing a contact, agent will be available for a next tasks to be available, to be handled. That was a demo. Thank you very much for your time. Connect to us, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you very much.